So in this example number one, there are two polygons that are similar. So this polygon song is similar to this polygon beat. Okay, so this is the symbol for similar. No? So we can then establish that the angles of these two polygons are the same or congruent. Okay, also we can say that the ratio of the two segments here of this polygon, okay, SO for example over BE, so this two ratio, so SO is in here, BE is in here, okay, is congruent to ON, the segment ON over EA. So this segment is over EA is equal to SO over BE. Also, that is equal to NG over AT is also equal to SG over BT. So where we can find it, so we have NG here over AT. Okay, so they are common ratio. They produce common ratio. SG as well, over BT or TB. Okay, so what does it mean? No, when we are looking for example, the side given here, the number of SO, okay, the given measurement for this side is 4. When you divide it by 2, say because SO divided by PE, so that is equal to what? That is equal to 2. Okay? 2 over 1, or when you get the simplification, that is 2. Okay? SG in here, when you divide it by 3 or BT, that is equal to 2. 8 divided by 4, the ON, and EA, this one, that is equal to 2 as well. And 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Same thing will happen if you get the kabaliktaran. So the reciprocal, or when you flip them, flip the ratio, the common ratio would be 1/2. Okay? So, but the thing is, they are similar. The example would be similar. So how can we prove that the common ratio are the same? Or if the polygons is similar? If the common ratio are the same. Okay? So that is the first example. Kill. So first, for the first, try it. No, take time to pause this video, and I want you to use the same quadrilaterals but different value here. Okay, and finally at the end of the day, you have to get the common ratio of these two similar polygons. Okay, take time to think, and I want you to write your answer in the comment sections below. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to define what the common ratio is. So the common ratio of the lengths, okay, common ratio of the lengths of the corresponding sides of the similar polygons is somewhat we call scale factor of the similar polygons. So when we are dealing with the similar polygons, ang tawag sa common ratio is the scale factor. Okay? So another thing that we have to appreciate in this particular topic is the application of a similar polygon. So one important application of similar polygons is scale drawings. When you see a blueprint, no, like this one, the floor plan and the road maps are an example of a scale drawing. Okay? So, the unit of measure in scale drawing is different from its actual unit of measure. Siyempre, maliit lang to. Right? Pero yung totoong buhay, hindi naman ganyan kalaki yung ating bahay, di ba? So, ang ginagawa doon, ini-scale. Pinapalaki nila yung mga measurement nitong floor plan na meron tayo dito. Okay? So, yun yung importance ng topic natin for today. The importance of our topic for today is to scale the measurement of the following things or polygons that we have here. Okay? So, that's it. So, we move on to the second example.